Hi, today let us understand what is voltage dividing rule and current dividing rule. For that, let us take an example and uh, first let us understand what is voltage dividing rule. Sorry for this DI. So to understand this, let us take an example of where a circuit with three resistance and which are in series, right? So this is a circuit where the resistance are connected in series. This is voltage V, and here it is R1, R2, and R3. So let us assume the voltage uh, is let's say 24 volt, and R1 is 2 ohm, R2 is 4 ohm, and R3 is 8 ohm. So we want to find out the voltage here in between these two, which is V1, in between these two, which is V2, and in between this, that is in R3, which is V3. How to find out? That is where the voltage dividing rule comes into the picture. So here the voltage V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, which means uh, since this is a series circuit, the current that will flow through the entire circuit is same. Let us consider it. Let us not consider one. Let us just consider it as I. Okay. So what will happen? What will be V1? V1 is nothing but okay. So one more thing, total resistance RT. What will be RT? Total resistance should be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. All right. So V1 equal to V into R1 by RT. This is RT, this is R1. So what is RT? RT equal to how much is that? 2 plus 4 plus 8. So it is 14, right? So the V1 would be V is 24 into R1 is your 2 divided by 14. That is equal to, this is 24 by 7. So 3 point almost equal to 3.4 amps. So 3.4 volt, right? 4 volt. Similarly, we can find out what is V2. So let me do it here. V2 equal to V into R2 by RT. That is equal to 24 into R2 is 4 by 14. Right. So it is becoming so 6.8. Right. Now with this formula we can simply calculate how much is V3. It is V minus V1 plus V2. So what it is, V3 equal to 24 minus 3.4 minus 6.8. So it becomes, how much is it, 639,841.2, so 10.2. So 10.2 means 13.8. 13.8. Now we can calculate the same thing using this formula. So I don't have space to write. Let me do it here. V3 equal to, how much is that? V into R3 by RT. So it is equal to 24 into 8 by 14. So which means 4 into 3.4, which means it is coming around 13.6, right? So this difference in point 2 is nothing but the fractional difference. If you do it in calculator, it will give you exact value. So this rule is called voltage divider rule. So just remember this, because many a times in the practical cases you need to find out like this small value, like voltage rating of this component. And let me tell you the exact use. In case of HT board, the control circuit is being supplied with the DC voltage. So it can be 110 or 220 volt DC. That is where we need to use. Uh, well, I have shown this as AC, but you can use it for DC also. So this is an application where you can use it. It is really helpful there. Now, one more thing is current dividing rule. So this is called current dividing rule. So in this case, let us consider a parallel circuit where resistances are in parallel. The thing is that we need to understand what is the current through each component and the voltage of each component, so that we can select that component. That is the fundamental of doing this study, doing this I mean, this is what you need to know to select the components. And this is a very fundamental and basic thing to understand. So let us understand this. This is R1, this is R2, and this is R3. So now this is again, let us consider it an alternating current. So voltage is passing through this, there will be current I. And in this case, in earlier case, it was a series circuit, so the same current I was flowing through the all the resistors. But it is not the case here. What is the case here is that I will be divided, the current will be divided into three, current will be divided into three part: I1, I2, and I3. And here the formula is I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. And you can calculate this current using like I equal to, so what is common here is that the voltage part is the common here. So across all the resistance the same voltage will be applied. So this is V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3, right? So you are going to get the total current. Now let me put some value in this. Again, if this is 24 volt, let's say, and this is 2 4 and 8, then you can simply calculate this. V is 24 by 2 plus, this is 24 by 4 and plus this is 24 by 8. So how much is that? That becomes, this is 12 plus 6 plus 3. So 15 plus 6, that is equal to 21 ampere current will be flowing through this. Now again you can also find out the equivalent resistance of this circuit, that is 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Now from this you can get the equivalent resistance, and if once you are equivalent, once you will get this equivalent resistance, you can find out the total current. So the total current will become V by R eq, right? So that is the I total. So it will be same as this. You can do the calculation on your own. So that's what I wanted to tell, the current dividing rule and the voltage dividing rule. Thank you.